Hello everyone. Today I'm coming to you from the Marriott on Carlos Pellegrini in Buenos Aires. And this is our room. When we open the door, this is what you see. Okay. I'm gonna go straight ahead first. And in here, you'll see a full-length mirror with a closet inside. Okay. You've got a luggage rack, ironing board, iron. You have hangers, drawers at the bottom. This is the other side. Then you have shelving, a safe, and a little fridge for your use. But I realize it's not that cold. Maybe you could change the setting and make it colder. Okay. On this side is the bathroom. And you can pull up the shades, but there is an apartment building or something on the other side of this, so you probably want to leave it down. And that is the 9th of Julio Avenue down there. Okay. So I'm gonna leave the shades down. Here on this side, you've got a mirror, a sink, hair dryer, trash can underneath. Okay, you've got a dental kit, shoehorn, lotion, soap. You've got shower cap, a razor. Let's see, what is all this stuff? Facial tissues, shoe mitt. And this just says vanity set. I don't know what's in it. Okay, turning around this way, toilet bidet, a bathtub, towels on top. Behind the door is a shower. Let's see, a rain shower head. You have hooks if you want to hook your towels there. A handrail, a soap dish. Okay, I don't see shampoos and stuff. Oh, I see, it's out here. It's at the tub. So they give you little bottles of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Okay, coming out of the bathroom, that was the front door. Coming out of the bathroom and into this section of the room, you have 2 beds. I believe they're 2 full-size beds. At the end of each bed is a little footstool where you can put your things. In the corner is a chair, another footstool, another chair, 2 chairs, a coffee table that's kind of tall with a sofa and lamp behind it. And the greatest thing about this room is it's got a balcony, so you can actually go outside. Let me see if I know how to open this door to go outside. Or maybe it doesn't open. I don't know. Does it look like it opens? It doesn't look like it opens. Okay, I guess it's just for looks then. But you've got a nice view of Avenida 9 de Julio. Okay. And if you're wondering where this leads to, it has a small coffee setup, tea setup, water. Yeah. And if I looked in here, that's the view back into the bedroom. Okay, that's it from the Marriott in Buenos Aires. Talk to you later.